Banking of road, the phenomena of raising the outer edge of the curved road above the inner edge is called banking of road. Actually, this is the phenomena which is being done in the curved roads to avoid the slipping or skidding in case of rainy season. Okay, as we have studied in our previous video, that rounding a curved leveled road, only the frictional force is the force which is keeping the body balanced, and that force fails when there is a rain. Okay, so to avoid such situation, one edge of the road is raised a little above the inner edge so that this problem will be sorted out. Okay, let's have a look over the diagram. This is a road whose outer edge is banged a little. Means now the road will be like this, not this level, it will be like this. So outer edge will be raised a little and the raise a little to the inner edge. Now this is a vehicle. Now various forces acting over the vehicle are the weight acting downward, which is mg, normal reaction. Keep in mind, view here carefully. The normal reaction will be perpendicular to this plane. Okay, so normal reaction acting perpendicular to this is r. Let this is raised to angle theta. So accordingly, the various forces, we can resolve this. So if this angle is theta, so angle between the perpendicular should be theta. So the perpendicular to this line is r, and perpendicular to this line is mg. So this angle is theta. Okay, so this component will be r cos theta and this component will be r sin theta, right? Now force of friction is also acting in this direction, F. Now F can also be resolved. I will make this diagram neat and clean here. Okay, this is F, weight acting downward, which is mg, normal reaction r, vertically upward. Okay, so this angle, this is vertically like this is r cos theta, this is theta, and this component here in this direction. So in this direction, this is component is r sin theta. Now if this angle is theta, so this angle to make it proper straight to like this. Okay, straight 90 degree. These two axes should be 90 degree. So this angle is also theta, right? So we can resolve F also. So F component is having along this is F cos theta, and along this component this is F sin theta. Now writing the various forces, you can see here this r cos theta is equal to mg plus F sin theta. So that r cos theta is equal to mg plus F sin theta. Another one, this is r sin theta is acting in this direction, F cos theta is acting in direction, and both are providing the centripetal force. So r sin theta plus F cos theta is equal to mv square by r, right? Also we know that F is equal to mu r. So putting this value in both these equation, r cos theta is equal to mg plus mu r sin theta, and this is r sin theta plus F instead of F we will put mu r cos theta is equal to mv square by r. Fine. Now this r is in multiplication, not in subscript, so that r term will be taken that side. So r is taken common. This cos theta minus r sin theta is equal to mg, or r is equal to mg divided by cos theta minus r sin theta. हम इसे दे देते हैं number 1. Now moving to this equation, r is taken common. This will be sin theta plus mu cos theta is equal to mv square by r. R here is small r. Now putting r, so this is mg are taken common, cos theta minus mu sin theta. Here it is mu sin theta, okay. Put this value of r in this equation. So sin theta plus mu cos theta upon, this is mg, putting the value of r, mg upon cos theta minus mu sin theta is equal to mv square by r. M to m cancel out, so v square is equal to, this is rg, cos theta taken out, here this becomes sin theta upon cos theta is tangent theta plus 1, because cos theta divided by cos theta. You can say here, we can say that cos theta divide and both side, divide and multiply, divide by cos theta to numerator and denominator. We can say like this also. Again taking cos theta common from the denominator, this is 1 minus mu tangent theta. Okay, so cos to cos cancel out, we left with v square is equal to rg. So we are having this expression tangent theta. Okay, v square we have taken common cos theta, we left with sin theta by cos theta is equal to tangent theta plus mu s is r, here it is cos theta divided by cos theta is 1, again here 1 minus mu tangent theta. Okay, cos theta to cos theta cancel out, we left with v square is equal to rg. This is tangent theta plus mu s upon 1 minus mu s tangent theta, or v is equal to 1 by 2 of this expression. This is the velocity with which the vehicle should go on the road.